Welcome to this guide on updating your user details in Curia. First, click on Settings and then select Users from the menu. Now, click the Add button on the right-hand side to bring up the Add User box. Enter the user's first name, last name, email, phone number, and assign their role. You can choose between admin, contributor, viewer, or both admin and contributor. Click Save to add the new user. Under Actions, click the eye icon to view user details, the pencil to edit user details, or the garbage can to delete the user. In Edit User, you can update details, change roles, and toggle the user's status. Click Update to save any changes. To delete a user, click the garbage can, then confirm your choice on the pop-up screen. And that's it! You now know how to manage users in Curia.